Here's Belk app. So just a quick walk through like how this app looks like. It is in the top charts in marketplaces if you want to get some clothing, if you want to get some also just stuff for your home like bed sheets, like some cookware. And there are really nice offers. A lot of people like this app. It's a really nice marketplace. There is free shipping, different sizes, different colors. So you can have all of that here. You can just add to your favorites. Then there is shop. You can see gifts, just different menus for gifts. You can have filters. Also, you can just scan the barcode to see more details. You can filter for women, for men, new arrivals, women's clothing, petite clothing, shoes, women's clearance. Then there is bag. Your bag is empty. You can use some, so you can do that. And then there are coupons. So coupons are available in the app. So that is one of the reasons to actually use this app. So in store only extra 40% off today's coupon. You can just scan that barcode in store. Extra 50% off, extra 60% off, extra 5% off. Then there is your account. There is your inbox. Your orders, favorites, and your profile. Find a store, manage my account. You can just go here and contact their support. Or if you have some issues with Belk card, also you can apply for a Belk card, which can be pretty helpful. So if I tap apply as yf.com, then you just enter your last 4 digits of your SSN, mobile phone number, and then just try to get a Belk card. Extra 20% off on almost everything, and earn $10 in Belk rewards dollars. So that's pretty cool. Can pay my bill from here. So yeah, if you have also any issues, just contact them here at support belk_customer_care@belk.com. You can also call them at 1-800-669-6550. You can try that. There is also Belk community using after pay, so you can pay the price in the installments, using Apple Pay, all of that, or Google Pay. So that's the app. I'll definitely give it a try if you're looking for some clothing, for some family stuff, for some things for your house. This is the cool app to try out. Hope that is helpful. Thank you for watching.